Ms Evans for 1 minute.
Thank you, President. Cyfeillion, colleagues, I've represented Wales in this European Parliament for 20 years. It's been my greatest privilege and my greatest challenge. But now we face the most challenging times of all. Westminster has failed Wales. It does not work for the people. It's a parliament in turmoil. But I ask you to look beyond that at other things that are happening. Over recent months, I have marched with many thousands of people all over Wales in support of independence, and that support is growing. 40% of people now say they would support Welsh independence if it meant that Wales could remain in the European Union. We have the right to determine our own future. To resolve the current crisis, we must put the whole thing back to the people in a referendum, and we need the time to do that. I will continue to work for that and for Wales's future in Europe. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Mr Wilimski for 1 minute, please.